Hello friends, welcome to this Laravel tutorial. Today I will show how to update and delete employee data using Ajax in Laravel 8. We have already created controller, model and migration file. So we just follow these three steps to achieve our goal. We have to create routes, we have to implement update and delete functions and create view to load the forms, right? So let's begin with here web.php. For update, I am using the get method here to load the form on edit function, and I am using here the put function to update. Just I change the function's name, but update Ajax. So in controller, we can see in the edit I am doing the same. I am getting here id query and I am loading here employee.edit ajax, right? This is a new file, okay, and here in the updated ajax I am taking the request object and the id, set the rules and check in the validators if any error, maintain one array and status code. If no error, I am finding the employee, taking the instance, initializing the data and calling the save function. So it will save or it will update the particular employee with the given data, right? Finally, if any error, I am just handling the exceptions, passing the message, okay, and sending the response. Sending the response is required here because this is the Ajax call or API call like that. So we have to pass the response, okay. So this is very simple. This is all about the update, how to update. Okay, let's come here in the edit form. So form is very simple. Again, I am just extending the layout and content here, and employee update here I am taking the input box and a div to showing the error, right? And passing here the value, getting from there form, okay. For this city, for the select box I am using a jQuery functions and setting the value, so it will select the given city, right? And on the save button I am calling these functions, getting all the data, validating it here in the front end side, and if no error, just calling the API employee edit and passing the ID, using the put functions and passing the data. On success, redirect to the employee, on error showing the errors, right? And this is the form change for any error, right? So this is very simple file for update. Let's check in the browser. So okay, ID 14 John Doe Chennai. I will update this record John Doe to John Cena, right? Chennai to Mumbai. Save. See, this updated John Cena Mumbai, right? So it's working fine, okay. So this is update here, how to update using Ajax. Now come to the delete. So for delete, I create one route employee slash id using the delete method, HTTP method, and just calling the destroy functions, okay. So here destroy functions, I am getting here the id, validate the id, it should exist in the employee table, okay. If any error in the validator, I am showing the message, and on success I am just using the destroy functions on employee model to delete, permanently delete from database tables, okay, and just passing the response. This is also the Ajax call, so we have to pass the response. On every Ajax call, so we have to pass the response, right? And this function will call from index page, right? Because here we can see the delete button is here, okay, and this is on the employee get. I am just rendering the index.blade.php. So here you can see I am using here the common custom action as a class on this delete functions or on this delete button, and calling and just describe initializing the functions here, and on click just calling this function. I am using here one confirmations to confirm, and using this employee slash id as a URL delete method, HTTP method, and passing the token. Token is required in the Laravel for every request because it will check every time, right? On success, I am calling the data table, and on any error, I am showing on the alert, right? So this is also very small and very easy to do, right? So let's check in the browser how it's working. I just open the inspect tool to check here when the API is calling, right? I am clicking here this John Cena. This confirmation is coming. Do you want to delete the record? Actually, the message is wrong. Okay, I am clicking here. Okay, see here first 14. This is the delete method. This is the delete method, and I got the response employee delete successfully. After that, this data table is calling. Okay, so and see here the record gone. So this is very simple to do this. So do you want to delete? Okay, so now if check, the message will come proper. Do you want to delete the employee? Okay, it's gone, right? So this is all about how to update and delete in Laravel. In the next video, I will come with login sign up and other stuff. Thank you for showing.